Testing version 601.
I drew this cat.
Most of the processes are very slow. Again, there is not enough information to decide if it is worth to upgrade, because the bugs that were fixed are not listed. At least we got back our next button, but the speech bubbles are not corrected. It might take too long loading the file before being exported. If the process is too slow, it's better to kill the app.
Oh no!
All the background music is played from frame 1. When using Reels, you need a high quality audio to make the lip sync function work. And very short frames cannot be created.
Doc, I need some attention, please.
Oh my god! Your eyes, your ears, your head! My eyes are fixed, but look at him. My eyes were fixed, but please developers, look after him. Subscribers, thank you for your loyalty. Thanks for watching.